Hi, welcome back to another very quick index laws video. So this one is about index law 2. So index law 2 is concerning division. So when you see any of these type 1s, you can have them in one or two forms, where you have it saying with the divide sign or in a fraction form like this. Okay, but either way it doesn't matter. The index law tells us that if we've got the same base, so this A is our base, we then subtract the powers. So it doesn't matter which form it's in, as long as our base is the same. Okay, so here we would just go m take away n. So the top take away the bottom, first take away the second. So if we go and do some examples, so I've got some examples in two different forms. So we've got our basic one where we've got numbers involved. So we keep our base, which is the 7, and we go 9 take away 5. All right, keep that base. We don't do anything with it. And 9 take away 5 is 4. And that's our final answer. Unless it tells us to evaluate it, then we find the answer. But otherwise, we leave it in that form. So if we go here, we've got x to the power of 10 divided by x to the power of 2. Our base is that x. Keep that x. 10 take away 2. All right, so we end up with x to the 8. Now, that's pretty straightforward. Now, here's another one, and I'm going to add another one on top of this. What we've got here is we've got it in that fraction form. But the other problem we come across is these two numbers here. Now, obviously, we can't go 8 divided by 12 without a decimal. So what we really need to do is cancel it down. So if I were to rewrite this, so I'm going to put my 8 and my 12, okay? And I'm going to cancel them, but I'm going to also do this. I'm going to do my A with my 6 take away 2, and my B, which is my other base, and 3 take away 2. Now, if I look at this 8 and 12, I go, what number goes into both? And 4 does. So I'm going to divide both by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we've just cancelled it down to the smallest form we can. So we're still going to have a fraction answer, and that's okay. So we'll have 2A to the 4b. And you could put that power of 1 if you want, you don't have to, and it's going to be over 3 because everything down the bottom got cancelled out. So then, if we were to do this with another type, so if we do this, let's say we got 20x to the 3 y4 over 5x y2. What happens here is we've actually got to do the proper division. So see how we've got this 20 and this 5? We're going to do that 20 divided by 5. Okay, and then we'll deal with our bases. So we got x, so 3, take away 1. So remember that pesky little 1. Y, 4, take away 2. All right, so 20 divided by 5 is 4. So then you get x to the 2, y to the 2. So those are the types you'll come across. And hopefully that makes this a little bit easier to do.